Chilliz value equivalent to $0.0969 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.0883, $0.0990. The earlier day close: $0.0896. The change was plus 0.0073, plus 8.15%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to CHZ. Chilliz estimate for April 2024. To start with, cost at $0.111. Exorbitant cost $0.129, while low cost $0.111. The normal for the month $0.118. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.121, change for April 9.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.121. Excessive cost $0.139, while low cost $0.121. The normal for the month $0.128. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.130, change for May 7.4%. Chilliz conjecture for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.130. Excessive cost $0.142, while low cost $0.124. The normal for the month $0.132. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.133, change for June 2.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.133. Excessive cost $0.148, while low cost $0.128. The normal for the month $0.137. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.138, change for July 3.8%. Chilliz estimate for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.138. Exorbitant cost $0.151, while low cost $0.131. The normal for the month $0.140. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.141, change for August 2.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $0.141. Exorbitant cost $0.157, while low cost $0.137. The normal for the month $0.146. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.147, change for September 4.3%. Chilliz figure for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.147. Excessive cost $0.164, while low cost $0.142. The normal for the month $0.152. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.153, change for October 4.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.153. Exorbitant cost $0.172, while low cost $0.150. The normal for the month $0.159. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.161, change for November 5.2%. Chilliz conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.161. Excessive cost $0.175, while low cost $0.153. The normal for the month $0.163. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.164, change for December 1.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at $0.164. Exorbitant cost $0.177, while low cost $0.153. The normal for the month $0.165. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.165, change for January 0.6%. Chilliz gauge for February 2025. In the first, Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.191, change for February 15.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for WAC 2025. Before all else, cost at $0.191. Excessive cost $0.213, while low cost $0.185. The normal for the month $0.197. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.199, change for spring 4.2%. Chilliz figure for April 2025. Initially cost at $0.199. Excessive cost $0.221, while low cost $0.193. The normal for the month $0.205. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.207, change for April 4.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at $0.207. Exorbitant cost $0.225, while low cost $0.195. The normal for the month $0.209. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.210, change for May 1.4%. Chilliz gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.210. Exorbitant cost $0.243, while low cost $0.210. The normal for the month $0.223. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.227, change for June 8.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.227. Exorbitant cost $0.281, while low cost $0.227. The normal for the month $0.250. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.263, change for July 15.9%. Chilliz gauge for August 2025. To start with, cost at $0.263. Exorbitant cost $0.326, while low cost $0.263. The normal for the month $0.289. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.305, change for August 16.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at $0.305. Excessive cost $0.305, while low cost $0.238. The normal for the month $0.276. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.256, change for September 16.1%. Chilliz estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.256. Exorbitant cost $0.256, while low cost $0.200. The normal for the month $0.232. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.215, change for October 16.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at $0.215. Exorbitant cost $0.215, while low cost $0.168. The normal for the month $0.195. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.181, change for November 15.8%. Chilliz conjecture for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $0.181. Excessive cost $0.225, while low cost $0.181. The normal for the month $0.199. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.210, change for December 16.0%.